What's your good name?
My name is Harish, sir.
Your age?
48, sir.
48.
Yes, sir.
You are from which place?
I'm from Bangalore, sir.
Okay. You had a triple vessel disease.
Yes, sir.
As per the report,
Yes, sir.
you had a stenosis of LAD was 80 to 90%
Yes, sir.
on 17 July 2023 report,
Yes, sir.
and RCA was 95%
Yes, sir.
stenosis. That is
Yes,
the blockage.
95% blockage.
So now, as per the report dated 22nd January 2024, LAD is reduced from 80 to 90% to 20 to 30%,
Yes, sir.
and RCA reduced to 10 to 20%
Yes, sir.
without any stent or any open heart surgery, nothing,
Yes, sir.
just through miracle drinks and other diet program.
Yes, sir.
In this regard, you just explain me what happened,
Yes, sir.
how you have inculcated this miracle drinks treatment protocol,
Yes, sir.
how you have come out from the problem with symptoms and all. You just explain.
Actually, I had diabetes, due to which my cholesterol and triglycerides increased. And
Diabetes since how many years back? You have?
since the pandemic, sir. Since the
Pandemic.
yeah.
That was in 2019.
1920, I started.
20.
So after that, I started taking care about my diabetes and food and all. I maintained, but due to some circumstances and some stress, my diabetes increased, stress increased, and some cholesterol because of food habits, bad food habits, it increased, and triglycerides also increased, for which I didn't care. So one fine day, I had pain on the chest. So I asked sir for what medicine to go for, because I didn't know, I didn't want to go for any other this thing. So I got medicine from Miracle Drinks as the combination of 137, 45137.
What is the 137?
There is anti-aging, cardio, and immune care, morning and evening. And afternoon it was liver care and renal support. So that I used to take. So it was going well. But due to my habits in eating, I never used to diet as per the protocol. I had to face the problem. That is like I started feeling some pain in my chest while walking. So I went to the doctor and got it checked up. So the doctor told to go for an angiogram and go for the further investigations, wherein my tropamine level was high, my sugar levels were normal, my BP level also a little bit high, and they told that blockage is there. So how much blockage you don't know. Then they told you can go for angiogram. They did my in this thing angiogram. I had to go to Jayadeva, get admitted in Jayadeva, and they gave the report that it is 95% block RCA. So after that, as per you call me and sir, you had suggested me not to go for this thing and take the miracle drinks route. That is the diet and strict diet, mainly strict diet.
Yes, food is the medicine.
Yes,
that
sir.
is my principle.
Exactly, sir. The main thing was diet, which changed my life, due to which I'm here now. So I took the medicines continuously for 5-6 months, and after 6 months with diet, strict diet, that is the super diet. I took no oil, very less spices, and as per the diet I had taken. So again, after 6 months, I went and checked. So I got the results as 10 to 20%, and from 95% to 10-20%. So with this, my family was very happy, taking not taking a decision.
Now you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Before that, what type of diet you used to have?
Yeah.
Like mutton, pork, and all. So after that, how you have cut down, and what diet you are taking? Both you explain.
I used to have at least 2-3 days. I used to have non-veg.
What type of non-veg you used to have?
Mainly chicken and fish I used to have. Fried items more. Or might be junk sometimes in lunch, and sometime in the night junk I used to have. And drinks once or twice in a week I used to have. So now it is cut down.
And now what you have cut down? Because entire viewers across the globe, it's
now I'm not having fried items. I'm having as per our Miracle Drinks diet, super diet. I'm having steamed fish or steamed chicken.
Oh, same recipe.
Yeah, same thing. What has been defined over here. I'm going for that.
Weekly, how many times you are taking steamed fish, steamed
Steamed
chicken
fish only once I'm taking, sir. I'm not having chicken also. Only fish I'm having.
Okay.
And I'm having a good diet and all of that. I'm feeling very comfortable now.
In diet, what you are having in rice or dal
like,
or chapati?
How the plate you have divided, sir, like 70% is the fruits and vegetables, and
Oh,
30%,
you are strictly are following.
yes, 30% is the rice and chapati only I'm having. Mainly on the curries or palya and all that I'm having. Sprouted foods that I'm having. With that, I am very thankful.
I know there is no chest pain, nothing.
Sometimes it is there, but definitely I'm doing yoga also for that. It will be reduced.
But in spite of the stenosis level comes down from 90 plus to 20 to 30%.
Yes, sir.
But still you are having some
little bit somewhat. If I take, if I go, I can run more. Just only I can walk. If I run more, or
anyway,
that time
you
the
should
problem
not run, as
yes,
Dr. B.A. Megde sir is saying very clearly.
Yes, sir.
That one should walk or run according to the comfort.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So without having,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm very thankful for Miracle Drinks, which guided me, and you especially, sir, who called me.
Anyway, it's a really wonderful. After seeing the reports only, see, everything is evidence based.
Yes, sir.
Mere talking, it doesn't. Now you tell me in sugar level, HbA1c, what is the level now?
Sugar level,
HbA1c.
HbA1c, it was 9.4 before when this thing was right. Now I recently checked 1 month back, it is 6.4, sir.
It's almost normal.
Yes, it's almost normal, sir.
Very
and
good.
BP also is coming
and
around.
For diabetes, you are taking allopathic medications or what?
I almost gradually reduced and going for only 0.5 mg.
0.5 mg.
Yeah.
Okay. For heart problem, any allopathic medications you are taking?
Some this thing only, sir. Some tablets are there. That's not only for pain, that is for angina pain is there.
Okay.
Otherwise, blood thinners have stopped.
Some beta blockers.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've stopped all those blood thinners.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Wonderful.